I chose, well, I had some marine grade epoxy, and then I had this 5 minutes clear most plastics. The only thing I just noticed was humidity's probably good. I don't know. I don't think it needs more humidity, but the temperature's a little low down here. So I don't usually heat much down here. The vents are open, but it's more ground temperature-ish. 5 minutes. Is there a temperature? 24. Well, I'm guessing with heat it'll cure faster. So I want to do some stitches. I probably shouldn't touch that. It's probably still tacky. A little. It's probably not too tacky anymore. But it was a little struggling. Maybe a little off still. Yeah, I think that might still be. That's okay. I can round that back out with a dowel and some sandpaper. Same with this side too. Should be okay. I think that one looks like it's okay. Little puzzle piece. I actually found all the pieces of puzzle. I thought I missed some, but I think that'll be okay. Just super glob it. I didn't want to get any on the inside, or much on the inside. I figure it's like right up against. Maybe there's a little bit of metal kind of bushing it out, but not much. So hopefully when I spread that apart to put on, it doesn't break either. But guess it'll be okay. Should be able to flex out a little plastic, but yeah, it's like if it side cracks. I don't know, we'll see. Figure it's an attempt. Give it a try. Let's see. Yeah. Let's get it on. It's still flexible a little bit, so it's not a cure all the way through. Okay, just wanted to show that real quick. I went ahead and epoxied the pedal because I want to see it. It's 1813 how it performs with the motor. Okay, bye now.